Yeah, do I look crazy? I hope I don't look crazy. What is up, guys? It's your girl Elle, and I'm back with another vlog. So, I just wanted to check in on you guys really quick, really briefly. I just wanted to make sure that I got the vlog started for tomorrow. I have a few things to do tomorrow. Nothing much, but I'm really tired. Like, I need to wrap this hair up. I put my camera out to. I put my camera. Oh no! Ah! This is my big sister. My little sister. No, I'm joking.
Don't be trying to run. I'm trying to vlog.
Oh, this is my niece.
Hello.
Smells on plant. Ooh, that light's nice. You always trying to creep in a corner, a little itsy bitsy space with your big old head. And I'm a little tired. I'm just a little tired.
That shit hurting.
Man, they're still in here dancing.
I don't even know how to vlog.
You feel me? She don't know what she doing.
But you, girl, we were just talking about the same shit. Girl, ain't no video. She's trying to outdo me. Yeah, she can't outdo me. Oh, I thought she was right there. I'm like, that's so abusive.
What is up, guys? So it's your girl Elle, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a really simple tutorial just on how I curl my hair. This is the wand I'm using. It's my Xtava wand. I believe that's how you pronounce it. But I had this wand for a very long time. If you guys go down my timeline, you guys look at my videos. Ooh, wait a second. That I did a full review on this curling wand and showed you guys how I want my hair before. And that was like a year. Not using my mic, guys. I'm not sure if you could tell a huge difference. But, excuse my voice, my morning voice. I had got up and got ready and cleaned myself up just for this video. Next, what I like to do with my curled hair, let me just show you guys how the hair came out. Really loose quast, which is quick and fast. Really quick curls that I did, as you guys seen. It didn't take me nowhere near as long as it normally takes me. I'm about to fix the top of my head real quick. I take my white tooth comb and I just do one of these. See what I mean? Teach y'all. And the hair is pretty good, as you guys can see. I'm just brushing straight, combing straight through it, and then I do one of these. Right? You guys see me? I slip my hair over and I comb it from the bottom, from the back of me up. And now this is my hair. So I'm gonna just put in a clip real quick of the basic me. You know, that's how it's just looking. You know, just about 30 minutes ago. It was a mess, okay? I'll be right back with my hair like did. You feel me? And then we will get ready. You feel me? See you guys in a few. Okay, guys. So this is the finished look as far as, you know, the get ready with me. My curls, as you guys can see, it's the perfect, it's the wave that I was aiming for. Okay, I got my hair all blended in. My forehead is big, I know that.